Hello everyone, welcome back once again to SATech. To my new subscribers, thank you for coming. To the old ones, I salute you all. Today I'm going to show you how to get back your channels when you come back and see that all your channels are being deleted. Maybe you did it mistakenly or your kids did it mistakenly. You understand? And then mind you, let's say if you are using two LMBs or two dishes. No, definitely you have to use this device. It is called DISET. This DISET plays two signals into the decoder for you to watch them at the same time without having to switch. So those of you who are new installers, this is a DISET, or to you a customer, this is a DISET. This DISET device, or it brings two signals into the decoder for you to watch at the same time without you having to swap wires. You understand? So let's say one day, or maybe you mistakenly delete all your channels, and then you have this particular message on your TV. No, program does not exist. So let's say you get this particular message, program does not exist. Now what will you do? You want to watch your favorite channel. What will you do? This is what I'm bringing you today. Just pay close attention to the video, and then you know how to scan back your channels anytime you delete them. But before I continue, this device, as I said, it is called DISET. It has numbers on them. We have 1, 4, 2, and 3. You understand? Depending on where you put your cables. That is the same settings you do on the decoder. So as I said, those at the top are always 2 and 3, and those below, they are port one and port 4. And then this one is the middle one that connects the cable. One cable will come into the room instead of two cables coming. You understand? So as I said, this one will pick the main cable which will come from the dish to the room, so that then the other two will pick the two signals at the top. And then mind you, again, there's a trick here. Anytime you are scanning, don't make a mistake and put one satellite. Let's say you scan both signals onto one satellite, it will not work. This is the reason for this video. So let's just stay tuned. I'll go to the television and then take you guys through. It is simple after you finish watching it. So stay tuned and then enjoy the video. So as I said, I'm using a particular device. The device I'm using is called Redline. As you can see it boldly written on it, Redline. So now it says that program does not exist. Now let's go and then do the scanning. You first of all press the menu. When you press the menu, this is what will appear. You have upgrade, installation, channel edit, and then at the other side you have other menu. So what you choose is what? Installation. You see that you choose installation, and then go to your right. At the right too, you can see antenna setting, satellite list, CP list, in that order. So what you choose is, you choose antenna setting, press OK, and then this is what you have: satellite, LMB power, DISET 1.0, and then DISET 1.1, and then you have the TP. TP simply means transponder. Those are the numbers that we use in getting you the channels. But let's assume that you don't know any of these numbers. So now what will you do? Now, as I said already, the DISET has numbers on them. You have DISET 1, 2, 3, and 4. So to get those settings here, let your attention be on DISET 1.0. As you can see, you have numbers. The numbers are on it. We have up to 4. DISET 1.1. You understand? So now let's say you put your DISET on DISET 1. The 1.1 is on 1. It's on 1. So when you select the 1, you come down here to search type. Press OK, and then select blind. mind you, this is where the trick is. Select blind, and then you now press on the blue button down there on your remote. You press OK, and then what? Accept scan. Let it finish scanning, and then we'll see the channel that is going to give us. As you can see, some channels are displaying. So this is where the trick is. You have to only choose the numbers, the number that corresponds to the dish. This is what you do. So when you do it this way, just leave it. You don't have to enter any number again. The decoder is going to scan all the channels for you by itself without having you to enter any number. So just take note, you will not enter any number. The decoder itself is going to do the work for you. So let's wait for it to finish scanning, then we'll go to the other side too and scan it. Okay guys, we are done scanning, and then the decoder is asking you, do you want to save? Definitely you accept yes. Okay, now this is where the trick is. Mind you, as I said already, you don't choose one satellite and combine both signals into that particular satellite. So right now, the first scanning, I use NILSat. Watch where the satellite is called NILSat. This is where the trick is. You come there, go to the satellite, press OK, and then select the next satellite. As I said, you don't put both signals into one satellite. So right now, I've done scanning for NILSat, and then I'm going to scan for the other channels where I'm going to put it into hotbed. So you select it. Now you come down again to dissect 1.0. So now let's say you know the number that you have put it. So let's say assuming it is 4. You change it to 4. Now you come down again, press OK, select blind again, and then you press the blue button on your remote to scan. So let's wait for it to finish scanning, and we'll see if we'll get our other channels added to the channels we have already scanned. So let's wait for it to scan. So guys, as you can see, our channels are popping up. And then mind you, the two signals I'm using are 16 degrees and 28 degrees. If I say 16 degrees and 28 degrees, we have multi TV and the French channel. Those are the two signals I'm using for this particular tutorial. So guys, we are done with the scanning. So this is what you will now get after you finish scanning. So these are the channels that you have on your television now. You understand? You have 28 degrees and then your 16 degrees, everything combined. So you don't have to do exchange of cables anytime you want to watch your channels. Everything has to combine onto the decoder. You understand? So mind you, as I said, you don't combine two signals into the same satellite. That is where most of you do. You don't have to combine this set. You don't have to combine all the two signals or both signals, or let's say all signals collectively into one particular satellite. That way it will not work. Guys, this is what I'm bringing you today. So those of you who it has benefited, please share so that others too who are suffering from this particular issue will have solution too. So thank you very much for staying tuned to my channel. Please share, and then subscribe for more video, and then see you another time.